What's up, guys? This is my personal project that I've been working on for a long time now. It's a robot arm, and just let me tell you all about it. So, the arm itself is 3 MG995 high torque servo motors for each of the joints, and the gripper on the top is controlled by one small SG90 servo motor. Connecting everything together is one microcontroller, and that's an Arduino. Because, again, easy to use, cheap, and it just works. It's powered by a constant 5-volt source, which is coming in through a USB-C port in the back, which makes debugging, like when you have to really power it on, power it off, power it on, power it off, like much easier. It's much better than having like two jumper wires that go to plus and minus, where, if you mix them up, your motors are just, they're done. They're done, they're gone. So this is really nice. Now, in the front is the first way to control the motor. You see the little panel with the 6 buttons? That's how you control, that's one way to control the arm. So, each set of 2 buttons corresponds to one of the motors. So that's one way to control it. It's kind of boring, I gotta be honest. What's much better is on the other side. So you see the little scaled down version of the arm. That's not like a toy. I mean, this whole thing's a toy, right? Guess what? This thing has, instead of motors on its joints, potentiometers, which are like rotary sensors. It basically, you can tell what angle a thing is bent at. Now, if you just connect it up to the Arduino, and through some pretty simple code, you can make this tiny arm control the big arm, which is actually pretty cool. It was really fast to explain all of this, but I gotta say, taking the time to design all of these parts from scratch, because I'm just saying they're all homegrown, farm fresh to table, designed by me. No copy, no plagiarism, except from that one guy who I kind of got the whole idea from for this whole project. But apart from that, zero plagiarism, all my own designs. But yeah, it took a while because the motors, they're pre-built components. You have to design a way to like clamp on them. Also, the wiring took forever because there are an obscene amount of wires in this whole project. Like with the amount of buttons, LEDs, switches, potentiometers, motors, like every single pin, digital analog of the Arduino is taken up, and that's crazy. Never done that before. The software, I will say this software was really quick. I kind of just ChatGPT'd most of it. Just don't worry about that. But yeah, that's the project. I think it's really cool. Helped you get better at C++ coding, helped getting better at 3D design, and it was fun as hell. I'm gonna do more stuff like it. I mean, I'm done with this. I'm done with the robot arm for now. But yeah, I'm gonna keep doing projects like this. It was fun. See you in about another 2 months. Ciao, ciao.